Hello guys. So, if you're looking to create quiz forms on Google Forms, so if that's the case, you come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then click on this icon over here. Now over here just simply scroll down and click on Forms. Now choose a blank form. Now after that, just simply go to settings and over here just simply enable this option which is make this a quiz. Now quickly do some settings. So the first setting is the results. So if you want to give the results immediately after submission, enable that, or if you want to check it later manually, just simply turn this option. So for me, I'll just simply keep this first part enabled. Now scroll down. Now in the response section, if you want these particular settings to be enabled, you can keep that. Like if someone missed a question, they will be notified. If they got a correct answer, they will be again notified. And the point value of that particular question, you can add default point value of a question. Then in responses, click on the drop box over here. If you want to collect email address, you can do that by clicking on verified or responder input. You can choose any one of them. Now again scroll down in presentation, click on it. So over here what I will like to do is just simply enable view result summary, so the students or whoever are taking the quiz will be able to see their results. So if you want that, you can just simply enable this option over here. Now if you want to change some settings in format details or question details, you can do that over here. Now after that, just simply go to questions and just simply make a quiz. So let's say the title test 9 or 5 maybe. Then if you want to add a description, you can add that as well. Now the next option is they have to enter the email address because it's necessary because you just made that in the setting. Now let's add some questions. So the first question, who was the first Prime Minister of United States? Now after that, give them options. So the first option will be George Washington. Give them few more options. To the second option. Third option. To get the multiple options, you have to click on add option over here. Now over here I forgot to mention. So if you want to add multiple types of questions, like for this one it's MCQ or multiple choice question, you can also add short answer, paragraphs, checkbox, dropbox, and if you want anyone to upload files, you can also do that. Now just simply click on answer key over here and now just simply choose which answer is the correct answer, then give a point based value, then just simply click on done. Now let's create another question. So click on the plus icon over here, as you can see, click on it. Now this will be the first question, so I will just simply click on this icon over here and drag it over this next question. So the next question will be world's tallest mountain. So as you can see over here, it is already giving us the answer, so don't click on anything. So what I'm going to change in this one is I'm just going to choose a short answer format, click on it, then I will just simply go on to answer key and I will write the right answer. So just simply enter the right answer, which is Mount Everest. Now people can write multiple types of Mount Everest, like for example MT Everest or just simply Everest. So add them as well, or just simply Everest. And after that just simply click on mark all other answers incorrect. If the person will answer any one of these, they will get full points, and if they are not giving the same answer as written over here, they will get no points. Now enter the point value, then after doing all of that just simply click on done. Now as you can see, the quiz is ready. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the send icon over here to send to your student or whichever person you want to send the quiz to. So you can just simply get the link by clicking on the link icon over here. You want to shorten the link, you can also do that by clicking on this and the link have been shortened. So just simply click copy and the link will be copied. Then you can just simply send wherever you want to send, or if you want to send through mail, you can just simply enter the email ID of that particular person. You can write a message. You can also include the form in mail if you want that, and then hit send. Now let's see how it will look from a perspective of a viewer. So for doing that, just simply click on the preview icon over here. So now as you can see, this is what it will look from the perspective of the person who will give the answers. Now firstly they have to enter the email address over here. So over here they have to enter the email address, then they will answer their question over here, like for first one Everest and the second one will be George Washington. And then after that all they have to do is just simply click on submit, and then after that they have to just simply click on view score to see their score, and then after that they will be able to see their score. And if you go back to your own form, you will be able to see how many students or people responded on your particular quiz. So click on responses and you will be able to see what they scored, and you will also be able to see their email address right over here and the percentage of the score and the time and date. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel. and take care.